Hi, if you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy S25, then as a first step you need to navigate into your Settings app. And in here find Accessibility tab, in which select Interaction and Dexterity. Then you should see voice access in the list, so tap it. And as a first step, we need to turn it on by tapping on the switcher if you want to have voice control over this device. So tap here, Allow. And if you are setting up for the first time, then you will need to also allow some permissions such as microphone and so on. Then tap here to enable voice access shortcut and find way with the help of which you want to enable voice access. So I just enabled this accessibility button, which looks like that. And also you can open settings, tap here to voice commands and read this information because it could be really helpful. It is like a tutorial. Now you can also customize these tabs, such as add an activation button, which looks like that. Also, you can find this listening behavior on screen wake up, activate it for incoming calls, during calls, and actually set up voice access. Now let's try this out. I'm going to tap the icon, and now it's on. Open settings. Go back. Tap settings. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll up. Go back. Go home. And that's basically it, how it works. As you can see, it is working just fine. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.